Hi again, Christy. So for your infographic, I noticed that you uploaded or attached a file rather than embedding your infographic right onto your page. And I think since you created your infographic using Infogram, if you follow the tutorial link that I put in your email, I think that you'll be able to go into Infogram and find the embed code that's associated with your work. So once you get that embed code and copy it into, just do a Control C to copy that embed code, go to your infographic page, which should look something like this. And then up in the upper left corner, click Insert HTML box, then copy that embed code in. I'm just copying embed code from infographic I created for an example. And then down here on the bottom of the screen where it says height, let's try 1,000 pixels. And then for the width, I'm not sure what the proper width is, but let's try 800 and say save. And so it's going to look like nothing happened until it's going to look like this until you press save up in the upper right corner, and then you should see your infographic. Mine was a fairly short infographic. I know yours is a little longer, so you can either make the pixels for the height greater, or you can just have your viewers use the scroll bar. And it looks like just a little bit of the right hand side of mine was cut off, so people would need to use the scroll bar to look at my work. But the width is you're kind of limited to the theme that you selected for the overall website. So I hope that helps. Let me know if you have any questions.